Here we go. What's up, guys? How's it going? We're back for a little video today, and yeah, you know from the title of the video what it's gonna be. So I got the Perrin turbo inlet here. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's included. I'm not gonna lie, I opened this ahead of time, but I really tried to open it honestly on camera for the first time. But my GoPro decided to die, and it didn't capture my first reaction. So this is going to be the second impression of me opening it. First thing you see, obviously a nice Perrin box with an attention label saying that this product is only for off-road use, blah, 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 blah. This product is legal in California only for racing vehicles. Well, sweet, because I got a Subaru, that's a racing vehicle. I'm just kidding, whatever, okay. Blah, blah, blah. Let's open it up and see what's included in the Perrin Turbo Inlet Kit. There's the first look in there. Okay, looks like they threw in a little goodie. We got a Perrin license plate frame. Pretty cool. What else we got? We got some Perrin stickers, which is even cooler. Looks like we have a hose. Garden hose. Piece of garden hose there. It's probably important. A little coupling for something. Maybe this is the adapter that goes from the intake to the turbo inlet, if I'm not mistaken. We have an assortment of tees, little fittings, a couple of hose clamps. And now for the bread and butter of the whole unboxing, the Perrin Turbo Inlet. This is the Perrin Turbo Inlet, very great quality. It's nothing like the piece of junk that's installed on my car now, which is the OEM Turbo Inlet. I'm excited to run this on my car. I'm not excited to install it because I hear it's a pain in the ass. And it's just not a fun procedure, but I'm willing to give it a shot. I guess I'm gonna tackle it with the mindset of it being very difficult. That way I don't get too frustrated if I can't figure it out or if it doesn't fit. I know it's like nearly impossible to fit in there. I'm gonna make a video on the install process, so don't you worry about that. And I'll take you through the journey and my experience of installing this new turbo inlet. So I guess wish me luck. So there's the turbo inlet. We got some instructions here. This turbo inlet is good for the 02 to 07 WRX as well as the 04 to 17 STI. So if you guys are looking for a new turbo inlet for your model, there's the part number there. I can also leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in buying this. This turbo inlet is more on the pricier side. I read a lot of great reviews on this product, and that's why I chose to go with it. So, you know, hopefully it's worth the extra money for what it costs. I've been waiting for this mod for quite a long time. I know it's a pretty simple mod, but I hear it makes a big difference when you have an old crumbly OEM one. So I'm very excited to put this in and see the results. Maybe I'll have better boost. Maybe I'll hit my target boost levels. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe my car will run crappy after this. I really don't know. And yeah, look forward to the install video. We're gonna tackle this and we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna learn some things. So yeah, that's it for this quick video. I gotta get to work, so we will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, disliking, commenting, whatever. Appreciate it all. So with that being said, we will see you guys on the next video. Hopefully it'll be me installing this successfully. And if not, yeah, either way, I'm going to make a video and show you the process. Get that thumbnail real quick. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Okay, I gotta go. Alright guys, we'll catch you next time.